Okay, number 6 is if an angle Q is 110 degrees, find the measure of angle D. Well, like we just discussed, the measure of angle D and the measure of angle Q are going to be supplementary because they are both on the same side of the transversal and they are in the inside of the parallel line. So they are same side interior angles. Therefore, they must be supplementary. That means their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So we'll find the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle Q equals 180 degrees. Well, the measure of angle D is what we're trying to find, plus 110 degrees, because that's what it tells us, equals 180 degrees. Now we need to solve for the measure of angle D, so we can subtract both sides by 110. And therefore the measure of angle D equals 70 degrees. Therefore my answer would be 70 degrees. Alright, number 7 says all angles in a triangle must equal. Well, what did we already discuss? They must equal 180 degrees. Okay, now we can solve for angles by using the triangle sum theorem. So find the measure of angle PRQ. So this is PRQ. Well, if I'm trying to find PRQ, and I know that all angles must equal 180 degrees, I can subtract the angles I know from 180. So I have 180 minus 80 equals 100. And then I'm going to subtract it by 49 and get 51. So therefore, the measure of angle PRQ is going to be 51 degrees. Okay, which of the following best describes angle C? So is angle C an anterior angle, an exterior angle, a corresponding angle, or a remote interior angle? Well, exterior would be angle D. Remote interior, because they are away from the D, would be A and B. We know it's not corresponding because it's not talking about corresponding with another one. So therefore, it would be A. It is an interior angle because it is inside the triangle. So remember that inside is the same thing as interior. Okay, it says find the measure of angle HFX. So that would be this angle then. So it's going this way. This is where we come up with the triangle sum theorem. Right? And we're talking about the exterior angle. So that states that the measure of angle X is going to be equivalent to the measure of angle H plus the measure of angle G. So therefore the measure of angle X is going to be 39 plus 26 Therefore, the measure of angle X is going to be 65. The answer is C. Okay, find the measure of angle RTS. So RTS. Okay, since that's asking for the inside of the triangle, we're going to subtract 66 from 180. And this will get us 104. Sorry. That's going to get us 114. And then subtract 47 from 114. And we are going to get 67 degrees. Therefore, RTS must be 67 degrees. Okay, and then it says, what are the remote interior angles of angle 4? So here's angle 4. The remote interior, so they have to be inside. These are the ones that are not touching it. Therefore, 1 and 2 are the remote interior angles of angle 4.